thanks for coming. Sorry about the soup accident.
And the bed problem.
Bye. Thanks for having us.
I'll say this for your uncle. His lunches are never dull.
Well, at least it stopped raining.
Ah, so it has. You did make sure to shut the burrow door, didn't you, Peter?
Yep, shut tight. I think... Door, please be shut. Please be shut. Please be shut. Oh, no!
Oh, no! Peter, you did leave the door open.
Whoa, what? Of all your mess-ups, Peter, and there have been plenty, this is the biggest!
I can't believe it. I forgot to shut the door. This is all my fault. I'm really sorry, but I'm going to fix it. I'll just use this bucket to carry out the water.
It's far too deep, Peter.
But I have to do something.
We'll just have to wait until it dries out. Shouldn't take more than a month.
A month? But what will we do? Where will we stay?
Quack! Feathers and fluff! Did someone leave a tap on?
Hello, Jemima.
Oh, dearie dear, this will never do. You'll all have to come and stay with us.
Are you sure? We wouldn't want to be an inconvenience.
Sure, I'm sure.
And you're sure there's enough room?
Of course. See? Plenty of room. It may be humble, but we mustn't grumble.
Oh, Cottontail! Whoa!
I've got you, Mum.
Thank you, Peter.
Where are you, my little one? Leaving so soon? Oh, well, good luck with your burrow. Toodle pip.